Okay, so I'm Jimmy, I'm with Aparavi Part 2. So we want to show off, recently we launched a Node and Python SDK. As you guys saw in Monty's presentation, she demoed sort of scraping a bunch of files from some cloud source and then anonymizing all of the PII and then inserting that into a vector DB, yeah? Well, what happens if you want to just do like one step? What happens if you're like in the middle of writing your code and you want to just include one step, which is like, I have a bunch of text, I want to classify, and then I want the text output, and I want total control over where that goes. I don't want to build some pipeline to do all of that. With our new SDK, we can do that for you. We can do sort of, we can allow you to just sort of execute one small part of a pipeline or an entire thing if you want to. So for this demo, I just want to show off. Okay, so if everybody can see my screen, what do we have? I've got an Aparavi node, a custom node. Langflow makes it super, super, super easy to create custom nodes, by the way. Shout out to Langflow, love their interface as well. Okay, so how do you create a custom node in Langflow? You go ahead and you edit the Python code. What are we doing? We are importing our SDK. And then we are running our advanced parse SDK, and it looks like 19 lines of code, instantiating a client, blah, blah, blah. Why are we doing that? Well, we're doing that because, maybe we use this parser to parse a PDF, and, we were getting a lot of junk back. There's like a lot of this white space sort of nonsense, and it's like, all right, well, I don't really want to embed that in my vector DB. So I say, okay, well, Aparavi has an advanced parser. It works, a little bit better, and maybe it's something that I want to include in my project and then just continue along the normal flow. It's just, I want to sort of pick and choose this one or two things from Aparavi. I'm going to use the SDK to do it. And here's some cool examples. It's like, all right, with a simple parser, what do you end up with? You end up with a bunch of white space, a bunch of sort of this stuff, this like question mark weird characters. And then with our advanced parser, you end up with these like really cool tables. Thank you, thank you, thank you.